The three naughty little pigs and the big bad wolf. Three little naughty pig and the wolf bad. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs called Indy, Neddy, and Freddy. So this must be Neddy, this must be Indy, and this must be Freddy. The three little pigs was very naughty and ran their mom ragged. Poor Mommy Pig was fed up of telling Indy not to put his dirty socks on the table. She was exhausted from running after the cat. Freddy keeps taking the cat after the cat to take off the washing pigs. Eddie was clammed to its tail. She was very wary from whipping the jammy footprints that Neddy left on the floor. Here, paint footprints on the socks, dirty socks. Keep shaking against the car.
What are you doing? Chino, what are you doing?
One day, Mommy Pig got angry and threatened to tell Daddy Pig all about it when he came home. But the three little pigs took no notice. Mommy Pig was furious and sent them outside. "I have enough," she said in an angry voice. "You can come back in when you've calmed down." Freddy, Indy, and what's the last one? I don't remember. Anyways. Alright, and Indy. Then Mommy Pig locked the door and sat down in his comfy chair. The three little pigs hammered on the door, but nothing happened. They tried to get through the window, but it was firmly shut. "I don't believe it," said Freddy. "Mommy has locked us out. She doesn't love us anymore," said Indy sadly. "Naughty Mommy," said Neddy crossly. "What will become of us?" they moaned. Neddy said, If we go to the police, they will tell Mommy to open the door and let us in." Maybe it was Neddy's idea. So the three little pigs set off into the forest. The wind whistled through the trees. The three brothers felt a little scared. They walked and lost their way. Freddy asked, "It is far to the police station." Indy said, "The other day Dad told me it was just beyond the forest." "I'm tired," moaned Neddy. Neddy, he's tired. Just then they saw a little house in a clearing. Let's go and ask the way," said the three little pigs. They all said it together. They knocked at the door. Tap, tap, tap. A crate opened slowly. "A wolf!" cried the three little pigs. "What are you doing here?" asked the wolf. "It's dangerous to be in the forest." "We are stammered Freddie. "We are lolling around," asked the wolf. "No," laughed said Indy. "Our mommy has thrown us out." "Goodness me," said the wolf. "What's the world coming to?" Then a shaky voice inside the house called, "Who is it?" "My little Labbit." The wolf got scared. He didn't look that scary. This is my mom," said the wolf. Anyway, what can I do for you?" Mr. Wolf said. "Indy, can you make our mommy unlock the door, let us in? Otherwise, we'll have to sleep outside." "Of course," said the wolf. "Have some hot chocolate, and then we'll get going." "Where are you going, my little Rabbitkin?" asked his mother. "I taking these little pigs home," said the wolf. "And don't call me my little Rabbitkin in front of guests. It's embarrassing." "Well, don't be late back," said the wolf's mother. "No, Mom," answered the wolf. "Don't get cold now," she added, "and don't talk to any little girl dressed in the red." "No, Mom," sighed the wolf obediently. But on the way to the three little pigs' house, the wolf became angry. "Throwing your children out of the house," he shouted. "It's shameful. It's a scandal. That sort of thing only happens in fairy tales. Your mommy will have to answer me." "There's going to be trouble," gloated Freddie. "Mommy's about to learn her lesson," chuckled Neddy. "Serves her right, naughty mommy," said Indy. But as they went through the forest, the three little pigs came more and more worried. What are you going to do to our mommy?" Mr. Wolf asked. Indy quietly. Oh my God! It's a guy. Sorry, guys. Indy quietly. "Well, when we get there, I'll break down the door, going in and eat her up," said the wolf firmly. "You know what I do." "But," said Neddy, "she's she's our mommy, and well," roared the wolf, I am not here to deliver fairy cakes. You have a problem and I'm going to sort it out. I'll go inside, gobble her up, and then go home. When they got to the house, the wolf said to the three little pigs, "You go and hide. No need for you to watch. I'll come and find you when it's all over." He kicked the door open and slammed it behind him. The three little pigs crouched behind the house, trembling. Poor Mummy went Indy. She was gentle and kind. "Who will tell us stories now?" asked Freddie. "And who will cuddle us? We've been so naughty," sobbed Neddy. Then the door opened again, and they heard the wolf's booming voice. "Come in here, you little scaly rag. Fortunately, I talked to your mother before gobbling her up. Oh, yes, and she told me all about you. So first you're naughty and don't listen to her. Then you come and tell me that your poor little pigeons who have been thrown out. Well," but then Mommy came to the door and said, "My little darling, I was worried sick." "Mommy," cried the three little pigs. The wolf, he looks sad and worried. I don't know what it looks like. Later that evening, Mummy Pig called everyone to the table. She thought of the wolf was very charming and had invited to dinner. "Will you have some pot roast, Mr. Wolf?" she asked him. "Oh, no, thank you, dear lady. I'm vegetarian. I don't eat meat." "You really are perfect," said Mammy Pig. That they had a wonderful evening. The wolf told stories, Mummy Pig laughed a lot, and the three little pigs had a great time. They all went to bed very late that night. The end. Finished book. And bye, guys. Recorded with Screencast-O-Matic.